Welcome to another ZarMoney training session. In this module, you'll learn how to post expenses already incurred, whether you paid by check, cash, or credit card. You'll also learn how to link expenses to your chart of accounts. So let's get started. Let's begin by adding an expense. First, go to Purchases, go down to Expenses, and click the plus sign. Note that you can add expenses that you paid for with a check, with cash, or with a credit card. In this case, let's post a transaction that we paid for with a credit card. Note you can link multiple cards, so make sure you select the appropriate credit card out of the options. In this case, we only have one credit card, so we're going to choose our credit card account. Then, we'll change our date to the appropriate date of the actual transaction. We'll note whether this was a purchase or whether we received a refund from the vendor. If this is a new vendor that we've never used in ZarMoney, we can begin typing the name of the vendor. Note the pop-up that recognizes that this is a new vendor. Select Yes to add the vendor to the list now. You can complete the vendor details here, or click Save and Close. From there, you can use the drop-down arrow to scroll through and find the appropriate account, or you can begin typing in the account name to narrow down the list. We found office supplies. Here, we can put details. And we'll enter in our subtotal. If we're done, we can click Save and Close, or if we have more transactions, we can click Save and New. In this case, let's hit Save and Close. Note to add transactions faster, we can also sync our bank and credit card accounts with ZarMoney. To do that, go to Banking and Bank Accounts. Here, you'll see you can download your bank transactions automatically. To do that, click Connect, find your bank, or begin typing your bank name. In this case, let's say our bank is BB&T. Here, you want to type in your user ID and your password. Note that like everything in ZarMoney, these are secure fields, so all your information is safe. Note, once you've synchronized your bank accounts, your transactions will populate automatically with the vendor name, the date of the transaction, and the amounts. From there, you just want to go in and verify that it's linked to the right chart of accounts line item. To see a full list of your chart of accounts, go to Company and Chart of Accounts. Most vendor purchases are usually linked to the cost of sales or expenses. If you're not sure which expense ties to your transaction, you can always use the Ask My Accountant field and follow up with your accountant later. In this module, you learn how to post expenses already incurred, whether you paid by check, cash, or credit card. You also learn how to link expenses to your chart of accounts. Thank you for watching this ZarMoney training session. For more training tips, check out our other videos, and for more help, visit us at ZarMoney.com.